and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday, the last day of the long weekend. I hope everybody has had a great Thanksgiving weekend, but one more day with leftovers. Last night, I prepared hot farm bird sandwiches using obviously the meat from the farm bird. All right, who am I kidding? It was a chicken. I spatchcocked a chicken. It's just, gotta remember, it was just two of us, and it was yummy. So I did hot chicken sandwiches. They were good. I made a little bit of extra shallot gravy. Perfect. And we used King Hawaiian rolls for the bread layer. That little bit of sweetness that the Hawaiian rolls have, added with the savory wonderfulness of the gravy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Today, it's been a tradition for over 2 decades that if I have prepared a turkey, aka, or a chicken, in this case, meal, I've always done a stock. Normally I would do it the day after, the Friday. But I decided to wait a few days, and I'm going to do the stock today. And I'll be using part of that stock to do a chicken and gnocchi soup. Let's get to it. Got my chicken parts. Got the backbone and all the other carcass parts in the good old bag. And I'm going to just keep this stock simple with simple mirepoix, onions, carrot, and celery. That's it. No salt, no pepper, no herbs. And I have plenty of leftover chicken, gnocchi, and I'm going to be using some mixed frozen vegetables. I'm keeping it simple. Of course, some kosher salt, black pepper, and a varying degree of different herbs and so forth. I haven't decided what total I'm going to use. So are you tired of leftovers yet? I'm not. And I still have plenty. All right, so on this, I would say sunny, but it is not going to be sunny. As at the time of recording, it's only 44 degrees outside, and according to my weather app, it's only supposed to get to 45 today. No sun. I want some sun. I really want some sun. All right, so on this Sunday, wow, yes, I'm later than usual. I got lazy today, again, but that'll change tomorrow. On this Sunday, have a great day, eat great leftovers, and have fun cooking.